Mufete de Causo. Grilled tilapia with onion and chili sauce. A main dish from Angola. You will need 11
Serves
ingredients. Step 1. Preheat your barbecue. You can also cook under a grill. Step 2. Clean the fish, then rub all over with the oil before seasoning inside and out with salt. Set aside in a dish to marinate for 20 minutes. Step 3. When the barbecue is hot, cook the fish for about 20 minutes per side, or until done through and the flesh flakes readily with a fork. Step 4. For the sauce, chop the onion as finely as you can, then combine in a bowl with the lemon juice, pepper, olive oil, vinegar, chilli, and salt. Step 5. Serve the fish with rice and accompany with the sauce. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.